Hello kids, are you ready for our new lesson? Today, we are going to learn what comes before and after a letter on our alphabet. It's like a guessing game. Are you ready?
Yay!
Good. A. B. E. What comes next? F. Good. H. What comes after H? Right, it's I. Q. Can you guess it? Right, it's R. V. What comes after V? W. Good. How about this one? B. What comes after B? Correct. It's letter C. How about letter N? What comes after letter N? Very good, kid. It's letter O. Good job. How about letter R? What comes after letter R? Correct. It's letter S. How about letter T? What comes after letter T? Correct. It's letter U. How about letter Y? What comes after letter Y? You're right, kid. It's letter Z. This time we are going to learn what comes before. Okay, what comes before F? Correct. It's letter E, as in elephant. How about M? What comes before M? Good. It's letter L. What comes before K? Right. It's letter J, as in jar. What comes before O? Correct! It's letter N. How about letter B? What comes before B? Correct! It's letter A. Apple. How about H? What comes before H? Very good. It's letter G, as in goat. How about P? What comes before P? Correct. It's letter O. Oval. How about C? What comes before letter C? Right, kid. It's letter B, as in boy. How about J? What comes before J? Correct. It's letter I. Very good, kid. How about letter L? What comes before letter L? Correct. It's letter K. Kangaroo. How about letter D? What comes before letter D? Yes, it's letter C. Yay! How about letter Z? What comes before letter Z? Right, it's letter Y. Yeah, yeah. As in, yay! You did it, you did it! Very good! Thank you for watching, kid. I hope you have enjoyed our game. Till next time, don't forget to subscribe and share it to your friends. Bye-bye!